them down.
She's knocking them down to the bottom.
Yep. The way she does it is she tapes the bottom. So this, I know this is the top. So I don't have to cut through the bottom tapes that she's put across that way.
Oh, okay, okay. I guess the small bee access is best for right now until I get acclimatized.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Yeah, okay. It's very funny. When I first got my bees,
Yeah.
I had that on there, and then from that point on, for the next 5 years, all the bees tend to come out to the side where that hole was, even when it was off. That's where we go in and out.
Yeah, that's the door.
Okay. So just hand me the knife and get it out of your hand. We're not doing it. There we are. Okay. Just a bunch of bees.
Okay, where's your lid?
A lot of them got bacteria, so okay, let me back up just a bit. Okay. There we are. They're pretty much in. And even though they're excited, they're orientating themselves.
They've got a back entrance here anyhow.
What's that?
A little piece of wood broke off.
Okay, I'll stick something on there later.
Yeah, you might as well leave it there now, then they'll
Yeah.
go in.
Yeah. But
So I always
it's
look-
amazing how many of them have already gone inside. I would just leave that on top.
Yeah, I always look to make sure there isn't a queen in there.
Oh, okay. Good
See,
idea.
they've got their wax going already.
This was a swarm. It was collected today. Oops, wait. Hey, there's a bee on the camera. Look at this. Sorry. Sorry, that was a bee. Came to visit the camera. Oh, you know why? Because it's black.
Black, yeah.
Very good. I had thought about moving up, using empty frames, but let me get box of frames right here. Just leave that sit there. It'll get wet and I'll throw it away later. That's fine.
Yeah, they're going in.
What you can see them now, they're orienting themselves to look in the front of the hive, see what's where. And Susan's wearing some on her finger. But they're not like they're aggressive or anything. Even though I have some on me, there's one. It's amazing how fast they calm down.
Yep.
And there are a lot of bees flying around, but there were 5 times that many a couple minutes ago.
Yep, they're nozzling out in here. In there.
Would you want to open it up now, more for now, and close it, make it smaller tomorrow, so they can more of them get in? There you go. This is a new place.
Girls, yeah, we're happy. We're happy.
Yeah, I'll keep the dogs in until they've calmed down a lot.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Worked very nicely. Let me get my camera here. There you go. I'm gonna get up a little closer. They're just moving around. They'll be going in the hive.